What's up, nail nerds? Welcome back to Sadler Up Nails. I'm Becky Sadler, and I show you how to do really cool things on your nails. So, like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get started. We are making a little donuts today out of gel, and you will also need some clear acrylic powder, but you do not need monomer, so that is the plus on this one. I am using Bioseaweed gel Winnipeg. You can use any gel you want. It does not have to be a one-step gel. It can be a three-step gel. It just has to be the color of donuts. So you're gonna mix your gel in with the acrylic until you get a paste-like consistency, kind of like a 4D gel, gummy gel consistency. You can call it whatever you want. Just mix the clear acrylic with your gel. I really need to get myself a flat spatula. I'm pretty sure Young Nails sells them because I was having some difficulty trying to push the gel off of my little cuticle pusher here. I did have to use my gel brush. So now, once you get the consistency you like, you're gonna plop down little balls all over a nail form. The forms I have are by Cuccio Pro, but you can use any nail form. You could even use like a plastic mat if you don't have nail forms, and that would work as well. So right now I'm just using my brush dipped in alcohol. I use isopropyl alcohol that is 99%. And then I just wanted to show you here. So instead of putting the little hole in your donut right away, form all of your donuts first. And then that would make it easier because the acrylic actually starts to set up in the gel. And then if you wait, it actually makes it easier to put the little holes in the center than if you were to do it right away, because you can see that one is actually starting to fill in on me. And because the acrylic does start to set up in the gel, I mean, you aren't going to want to like mix up your paste and then walk away and do it later. Like, you got to do this all at once and you got to work fast. So form all your donuts at once, use your brush and some alcohol. Make sure you clean up all the edges, make them round at the sides. Have fun with this technique, guys. Like, you can pretty much make, little strawberries, little apples, maybe, I don't know, like, just have fun with it. You could even do some 3D roses. You would just have to cure each petal in between. So you see here, I'm coming in with my dotting tool and I am making the little holes in the center now. And you can see that since the acrylic has set up, those holes are not filling in. So now I'm just going to cure that for the length of time that the gel requires. So Bioseaweed does require a 60-second cure. And then you're going to come in and you're going to have your fun and paint the decorations on your donuts. I will list all the colors that I used in my description box. They are all Bioseaweed gel though, just to let you know. I think when I made these donuts for the first time, it was because I was like craving Krispy Kremes, like hardcore. I live in Canada, so we don't really have a lot of Krispy Kreme franchises around. There's like 3 in total in the province that I live in, and I do not live close to one. And Tim Hortons is not even comparable. Yeah, I could really go for a Krispy Kreme right now. What's your favorite Krispy Kreme donut? I mean, I'm just like a simple lady. I just like the plain old glazed. Give me like 10 of those and I'm happy. I'll be really sick, but I'll also be really happy. Maybe after this, I'll do a tutorial on how to apply these donuts to a set of nails. Let me know in the comments section if you would like to see that and what products I would use to adhere them. Now I am just curing the icing we just painted on top, and I do use a Bioseaweed gel lamp. The reason I have so much Bioseaweed is because they had a freaking awesome deal, guys. Okay, I was at a show. They had a deal. It was like 24 polishes for, I can't remember, but it was, you got a free lamp with it, and you got a free matte top coat, and you got some other free shit. So I got a lot of Bioseaweed gel. We are going to dot in some sprinkles. Now you do want to flash cure in between each layer, or else they will bleed into each other, unless that's the effect you want to go for. I mean, that'd be cool too, like kind of like a marble look. That'd be cool. I don't know. So yeah, just have fun, play with it, different colors. You are going to want to use opaque polishes so that they show up. You know what? I lied. This white is the finger paints. I forget what it's called, but it will be in the description. But that white is not a Bioseaweed gel white. So disclaimer there. Now we are going to top coat each donut. I do like to use a detail brush to do this, and that is so that you don't flood your donut hole, because nobody likes a flooded donut hole. I mean, unless it's flooded with icing, not with top coat. If you did use all one-step polishes, so gel polishes that don't have a dispersion layer, you don't have to do the top coating step right now. You could do that after you've applied your gems to the nail. For the sake of the video, I'm just showing this step now. To make things easier for you, you are going to want to use a no wipe top coat, unless you want to be trying to wipe the dispersion layer off these little tiny donuts, which would prove to be quite difficult, trust me. Sure you get all the sides and clean out your donut holes right before curing to prevent them from flooding. And then once you're done, you just pop these babies off your form and you got donuts. Look how cute these little guys are. If you have some top coat around the edges, you can just come in with a hand file and smooth them out. But these guys are tiny and they are very hard to hold. So there is my donut recipe. Don't eat them. They won't taste good. Keep them away from children and make sure they know they are not candy. Look how cute these guys are. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. Bye.